Hey everyone, welcome to the channel and welcome to this complete beginner's guide on Bybit. Whether you're new to crypto trading or just getting started with Bybit, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know, from creating an account to making your first trade. So my friends, of course the first step is going to be creating a Bybit account. That you will have to do on your own because I already have one set up. Before that, of course, download the application from the Play Store, or if you're on iOS from the App Store, just type in Bybit. And as you can see, you can just download it. It's available. I'm just gonna open it up. And as you can see, this is my profile. And from here, we can start working. Right, so step number 2, depositing funds. So guys, you just need to click on assets on the bottom right. And as you can see in here, I have $100 just to show you. You can then select the deposit and choose your preferred cryptocurrency. So for example, press on deposit. And as you can see, deposit euro, buy with euro, peer-to-peer tracking, and deposit with crypto. This is what you have. So the next thing you need to do, of course, is copy your deposit address and send funds from your wallet or exchange. Wait for the blockchain confirmation and your funds will appear on your accounts. After that, you just need to understand the Bybit trading interface. We have market charts that displays real-time price movements. Then we have order book, shows current buy and sell orders. And we have also trading panel where you can place orders. So as you can see right over here. And also we have next thing is positions and orders. It tracks your open trades. Right, and basically if you want to place your first trade, you need to go to trade, spot trading, or derivatives if you want to start trading futures. So just go to trade, and as you can see in here, you have buy and sell. You can sell as well, as you can see, do whatever you want. Now you basically also can choose a trading pair. For example, you can choose Bitcoin and USDT, for example, and any pair of coins that you want. It's very, very easy. After that, you can also withdraw your funds. You basically go to assets, you go to withdraw, and as you can see, you can choose your crypto and enter the withdrawal address. Also complete the verification and confirm the transaction. And that's it. You know now how to set up, deposit, trade, and withdraw on Bybit. And my friends, of course, don't forget we have some very cool and good discounts and affiliate links posted in the video description. Please check them out, and of course, thank you for watching.